Hi dear Z Guitarist, today we're gonna see Everybody Hurts by REM. I'm gonna show and explain you how to play this good song for beginners with all details. Thanks to leave a blue thumb and subscribe to support the channel. Let's go! We're gonna start with the D major chord, and we play the D string with the thumb, the G with the index, the B with the middle finger, and the E string with the ring finger. And we play another time with the same finger, the B string and the G. Okay, we start again. And now we play it twice. More faster. And we go to the G chord. But here you can play it without the index, and we play the E string on the bass. More faster. And we go back to the G chord. Okay, now to change chords without stopping, we're gonna use the last note. You must take off the middle finger just before to play the G string. So practice doing this. And after, and when we play the G string, you put the little finger. So we have more faster, another time, and for go back to the D chord, it's the same. You take off the middle finger on the last note. It's more easy because the last and the first note are open, but practice anyway. Okay, now the whole loop 2 times. Now on the last G on the verse, we start the same, and we play, and so we have the whole loop, a last time, and we arrive to the chorus. We start with the A minor chord. It's like the E major chord without the index. And we go to the A major chord. Normally it's with the 3 first fingers, but if you are big fingers like me, you can do it with those there. On the E minor chord we play like this. Okay, 2 times. And now on the A chord, more faster, here it's easy to change chord because the 2 chords start with the open strings. Okay, now we play the whole loop 2 times. And if you play alone, you can replace the last two notes by the ones. Another time. Okay, now more faster. And now for the last A chord, we just play down like this. So the last loop. Don't forget to count 3 beats, and we go back to the verse. Okay, now all the chorus. Two, 3, 4. On the bridge, we start with 3 times these 2 chords, a F sharp and a B minor chord. So practice this move. Don't have to move your fingers like this, but the whole arm like this. As you see, I don't move my fingers. Okay, now you can play an arpeggio like the verse, or you can play this rhythm if you play alone. Another time. Okay, now we play one time these 2 chords. And after we have a C chord, a G, a C chord another time, a chord transition G with B on the bass, and a A minor. If you don't know, practice this move. Okay, now we play all these chords with the rhythm. Don't forget to block the strings. If you need, practice this. Okay, we play another time this whole loop. After we have 1 beat and we go back to the verse. Four, 1. Okay, it's very important to keep count all the time. In the outro you can play arpeggio all the time, or if you prefer, after 2 loops you can play with the rhythm. And it would be nice if you would change the volume like this. You have to know how to change and play with the volume. It's used by all musicians at every moment and every note. I wish you a good practice. If you have any questions, leave them to me in the comments. Don't forget to leave a blue thumb and subscribe to support the channel. See you!